Hi friends, Don Crypto Money here, and in this video I will show you how to get started with Hamster Kombat tutorial for beginners. How you can get started and start growing your account, mining coins and making money when the coin finally launches. So in today's video I'll be showing you exactly how you can get started as a beginner, how to create your account and how to get started. So now you will need to have your Telegram app installed on your phone. So this is my Telegram account as you can see now. So on Telegram you need to go and search for Hamster Kombat. Click on the search button and search for Hamster Kombat. And click on this one, which is the Hamster Kombat announcement and the official. This is the official one, the one on the top that is ticked that says both. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this interface, and once you get here, simply click on play at the bottom of the page and click on start. Once you click on start, it's going to open a platform that looks like this that says this. So once you get here, all you need to do is to navigate around to find things around. So let's try together because I'm creating my account newly and I'm showing you exactly how you can create your account as well. So here I'm going to swipe to see it says N1 tap. Okay, any tap you tap you're going to be earning. This is called profit per hour. Mine is plus 110 and it says share the hamster. So let me go to this side to see what's happening. Let's see what the app is about. Okay, I've gotten to the end of that. So what I'm going to do is to click on play. Once you click on play, it says receive a gift 5,000 coins. So I'm going to click on that and the 5,000 coins has been credited to my account as you can see here. So it says become a CEO. Let's click on that to see what that will do. And it says level up. Let's click on close. Okay, do we then click on close and I've leveled up. Okay, so this is how the Hamster Kombat platform looks like. So from here I'll be sharing with you in my next videos how to upgrade your account, how to earn more coins for yourself, and how to practically mine millions of coins on this platform. So this is about creating an account and starting out. So in my next video I'll be sharing with you the next things you'll be doing on this app to keep generating money for yourself, keep boosting your account and keep mining coins. So as you can see, if you tap, your coin is going to be increasing. For each tap they are going to be giving you 2 coins. So if you tap, they are going to be giving you plus 2 coins. So this is how you keep doing it until your coin keeps increasing and you make a lot of coin from this, which when the coin launches, you can exchange it for cool money, for tokens, and make some cool cash for yourself. So that's it about this video. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification, and look out for my next video. Thanks.